Let's say in this example here there's a component that you want to add and a component that you want to change on some specific jobs that have specific components. So here we put the organization code in, we go across here, we put the component in we want to change. Also, we only want to look at unreleased jobs. We download this data and you see we have two jobs come back where that component exists. In this case here, we actually want to add a couple of extra components. We want to put some stickers on this as well, so it's really easy just to use Excel to copy and paste, and then we'll change what the component is. We've got a couple of options here. We can use the user form, or we can just type them in if you know what the component number is. So here we're going to select the upload action of add and the component. And we find our sticker. You'll see the sub-inventory RIP is in red. We actually want to change this from assembly pull, and we'll set it to operation pull, or we'll set it to push. In this case we'll use push. So we're adding that component on the other job as well. Now we'll do the updates to the existing components. So we'll choose a change action, and here we just want to change the quantities. Of course, if we change the quantities, we do need the required quantity changed as well, because the yield is 1. Now we've made these changes, let's just upload them. So these are successful. However, in the case of the material requirements, we do need to submit a concurrent request. So we'll take the group ID and we'll put that in as a parameter. And we can see that's now running. And that request is completed. And in this screen here we can actually do a refresh as well and just make sure those material requirements have been loaded. And you can see they are now accepted. If we download these items for these jobs, you'll find the changes and the new items exist. And it's that easy just to change or add material requirements.